Okay, it is day 22. We'll see you in a moment. Good evening. Okay, so yeah, today not a whole heck of a lot to share, although I have been very busy. If you can tell, my shirt back there, that's my Cashmerette Concord tee. It is done. I'm actually wearing it tomorrow, but I needed to finish off the sew along for that. You will see the sew along for those who are following. That will be coming up because Vlogmas, we only have a couple more days. And so the sew along, it'll be a two-parter, will start on Sunday. It will go Sunday and Monday, and then Tuesday will be my Terra jacket full review, and that will be the videos for me for the year. But I needed to wrap up some loose ends with my sew along there and get that completely done, because I didn't want to be sewing, doing any of that during the week this week. I will be working on handbags and whatnot, but I'll give you an update on that. I did not cut out anything tonight because what I ended up doing, and let me get to the questions, the trivia questions first before I get into that. So the first question was what much reviled Christmas edible is known for its long shelf life? And most of you, I want to say pretty much everybody got this right. It is the fruitcake. Fruitcakes are so disgusting. Ugh, yuck, yuck, yuck. I know there are some people out there that might like them. Sorry, but oh, I think I had it once in my life when I was real young, very young, and I thought, yuck. And I remember it was over my grandmother's house. I don't think my grandmother made it though. I'll have to ask her. I don't think she did, but it was disgusting. And I don't ever remember seeing it again. Okay, what is our second question from the 21st? What popular holiday activity tests people's knowledge of Christmas history and customs? That should have been super easy. It is Christmas trivia, of course. What have we been doing for the past 21 days now? Or 22 days? Or now, today is day 22. But for the past 21 days, we have been doing Christmas trivia. And so our question today is, in Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol, what was Mr. Scrooge's first name? And I have to take it, yeah, you should get this. In Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol, what was Mr. Scrooge's first name? All right, so I will reveal that tomorrow. Tomorrow is my last day in the office. It's going to be a short day for me. But let me show you what I did do, because I didn't cut out any more bags and everything. I went ahead because there's an H&M close to my job that I pass by pretty easily every single day, and I want to take in some fabric scraps. I needed to make sure my lighting got back in. But I want to take in some fabric scraps. So I have a big bag here. I was supposed to do that, I think this is a week ago, and I never did. So I went ahead and pulled together as many of my woven scraps and as many of my knit scraps as I can. And I'm going to drop those off tomorrow so those can get out of my sewing room. January, we'll see how January goes. I've been talking about getting this room organized and cleaned up now for a little bit and haven't had the time just yet, but I will get to it. So it's little things I was trying to do today. Pick up some things around the sewing room, my cutting space, clean things up a little bit more than they were. So that's it for today. I will see you in the morning tomorrow. Again, I'll be leaving early, but we'll see what the day holds. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. And I hope you enjoyed the visuals from church today. It was such a wonderful service. They did the they usually do a play talking about Christmas and the reason for Christmas, and we celebrate Christmas, and it was absolutely phenomenal. It was a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed it. But if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description box, but in the comment section below, if I can get that right. And also, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it out, and I will see you tomorrow.